Cyberattacks are no longer occasional. They're constant. Every second, networks face thousands of intrusion attempts, phishing attempts, and credential thefts. To defend effectively, businesses need systems that can analyze and respond faster than attackers can move. That's where AI comes in. Human analysts are skilled, but the data volume is overwhelming. The average mid-sized enterprise receives 11,000 plus security alerts per day, most of which turn out to be false positives. Manual triage isn't fast enough when breaches happen in seconds. AI transforms detection by correlating patterns across millions of signals: login anomalies, device behavior, network traffic, and endpoint data. Instead of isolated alerts, it builds context, one correlated story about what's actually happening. When ransomware strikes, speed determines survival. AI models trained on threat behavior can recognize suspicious encryption activity within seconds, quarantine the endpoint, and block the command and control channel automatically, preventing mass infection. Most breaches start with stolen credentials. AI-powered identity protection detects impossible travel logins, strange device behavior, or atypical session duration, and automatically requires multi-factor verification before granting access. Organizations using AI-assisted SOC platforms report 45% fewer false positives, detection times dropping from minutes to seconds, and automated containment in over half of incidents. This isn't theory. It's measurable, repeatable improvement. AI security doesn't mean hands-off defense. Every automated action, from isolating a device to blocking an IP, must be logged, reviewed, and reversible. Responsible automation aligns with frameworks like NIST AI RMF and FTC safeguards, ensuring compliance and accountability. Here's how to start. Deploy AI where it amplifies detection and response, not where it hides decisions. Pair it with MFA, maintain detailed audit logs, and review rules monthly. AI becomes powerful only when it's transparent and controlled. Cybersecurity is no longer about reacting to threats. It's about predicting them. With AI-driven analysis, automation, and human oversight, organizations can move from vulnerable to vigilant, and Securafy is already leading that shift.
Visit Securafy.com for a free cybersecurity assessment or access our library of resources to strengthen your defenses. Stay online and secure anytime, anywhere, on any device.